Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoCAD Mission 99. Today in lecture 17, we are learning two commands that make architectural drawing feel like magic: mirror and offset. Whether you are creating a symmetrical twin villa in Oman or a modern apartment in Toronto, these tools will double your speed and ensure 100% accuracy. Let's jump into the CAD screen. First, let's learn about mirror. This is how we create a reflection of our drawing. Select the object, like this is our small building plan, and type MI for mirror and press enter. See, in the command bar, specify first point of a mirror line. Suppose I want to mirror from here. Then specify second point of mirror line. I click here. Now erase source object. If you want to erase objects, you can say yes. Then one part will be delete. If you want to keep both files, just say no or type N, because N is the first alphabet of N or no. Okay, type N and press enter. See, this is the mirror. Now you have two identical sides in 2 seconds. Again, I will show you. Copy, CO4 copy and paste here. Okay, delete it. Now select the object, type MI for mirror and press enter. Suppose if you consider this is one unit and you know the another unit just opposite, click here and click here. Okay, no, this is the mirror. Suppose REC for rectangle, and if you want to mirror it, MI for mirror, specify first point, then specify second point, type N for no. Suppose there is a door open like that, but you want the door will be open like that way, opposite, so need to do mirror. Select the object, type MI for mirror, click the first point and click the second point. You should keep on ortho mode and click the second point. Type yes. See, this is the object. Now select and type M for move. Take it from here to specific point. This is the function of mirror. You can mirror anything. Okay. Now let's look at offset. This is the most used command for drawing wall and concrete cupboards or the window projection. Suppose we want to draw window projection like that, 225 mm over the window. For that, type O for offset, specify offset distance. I want 225 mm and press enter. Means 9 inch. And now select the object, okay, and specify point on the side to offset. Just click outside. Check the dimension. This is 225 mm offset. Now we will draw. There is a stair. Okay, we will draw it. Now first we will draw a line. Okay, randomly. A line. Then we will offset. How much? 5 inch. Or for offset, type how much? 5 inch. Okay. Now select the object, type copy. CO for copy. How much? It is around 8 feet. Okay. 8 feet. L for line. Again L for line. Take offset, O for offset. How much? 5 inch. This is the function of offset, 5 inch. TR for trim. Okay, take the line L for line, suppose from here. Every distance how much? DLI for linear dimensions 10 inch. So go off for offset, type 10 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Take the middle line. O for offset, how much? Maybe 2 inch. TR for trim. Okay, this is the function of offset. Suppose if you want to draw C for circle, O for offset, how much? 2 inch. You can offset 2 inch. Take your page 1 plan, offset your lines to create 9 inch walls and mirror a bedroom to see how symmetry works. Use 200 mm if you are in the Gulf or 9 inch if you are in the USA or BD. The command is the same, only the units change. In lecture 18, we will master trim and extend, the tools that clean up your drawing like a pro. See you there. Om Shanti.